Okay, go.
Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna unbox iPhone 15 Pro Titanium Blue, and
How
I'm
many
very
GB?
happy because
256 GB.
at 256 GB. I'm very happy because at 8 o'clock sharp my father bought it for me at 15 September 2023. I'm very grateful to have this because and this is my first phone, and
When did it arrive?
and it arrived at 22 September 2023,
Today, right?
which is today.
What
I'm
time?
very happy because I don't know how does it look like, and I'm very excited to open it.
One box. Okay, go.
Open up.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Show the camera.
Look, there's behind this thing.
Yeah, you see what's on front? How many specs? What's the specs? Anything written at the back?
Yes, iPhone 15 Pro designed by Apple in California.
Yeah, I think you need to pull this.
Okay, let's
Wow.
open it up right now.
What's inside the box?
Wow! Ta-da!
You can peel out the white shirt over.
So
And you
pretty.
show them what's inside the box. Apart from the phone, you put the phone first here.
There's also this thing, this thing, the logo, and what some
You tell,
papers.
you don't mama. Tell
There's
them.
some papers and
Instructions, stickers.
and this Apple sticker,
What else?
and there's a charger.
What type of charger is?
Apple
USB-C.
charger. USB-C.
Okay. Okay.
Bye bye.
You turn on the phone first. Yeah, you on the phone. Not yet.
Wow, so nice. You
No.
see, it covers, and it's kind of like 3D.
You know how to power it on?
Let's open.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Okay. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
You say bye-bye nicely.
Bye bye, everybody. Wish
Okay.
you can subscribe.